Cornell Chicken, the tangy, flavor-packed barbecue sensation. Hey there, foodies and grill masters. Are you ready to shake up your summer cookouts with a taste sensation that has a fascinating history? It's time to talk about Cornell Chicken, the legendary dish with both a unique tang and an incredible backstory that'll have your guests clamoring for seconds, and maybe even the recipe. Picture this: juicy chicken, bursting with a flavor that blends smoky char with a bold, vinegar-infused punch. The skin crisps up to absolute perfection, giving way to succulent meat. This isn't just another grilled chicken recipe, it's an experience. What makes Cornell Chicken so special? The secret lies in the marinade. Well, it's technically more of a basting sauce, but let's not split hairs. What makes it extraordinary is the combination of cider vinegar, oil, a touch of sweetness, a hearty dose of poultry seasoning, and a surprise ingredient, an egg. That's right, an egg gives the sauce a creamy, emulsified texture that clings to the chicken, creating both incredible flavor and that glorious crispy skin. The story behind this barbecue legend. Back in the 1940s, a brilliant food science professor at Cornell University, Dr. Robert C. Baker, set out to create a recipe that would not only be delicious but would also support local poultry farmers. He wanted to promote the use of smaller, younger chickens. His creation became a sensation at state fairs, firehouse fundraisers, and backyard gatherings, making it the unofficial dish of upstate New York. Ready to fire up the grill? Alright, without further ado, let's dive into the recipe. Buckle up because it's incredibly simple, yet mind-blowingly delicious. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, 3 to 4 pounds, halved or spatchcocked. 1 cup cider vinegar. 1 cup vegetable oil. 1 large egg. 3 tablespoons salt. 1 tablespoon poultry seasoning. Half teaspoon ground black pepper. Instructions: make the magic marinade. In a blender, crack the egg and give it a quick whirl. Slowly drizzle in the oil until it's fully incorporated. Then, add the cider vinegar, salt, poultry seasoning, and pepper and blend until smooth and emulsified. Marinate: place your chicken halves in a large zip-top bag or a shallow dish. Pour in half of the marinade, seal or cover, and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Reserve the rest of the marinade for basting. Grill time: preheat your grill, charcoal or gas, for medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade and pat dry with paper towels. Char and baste: place the chicken skin side down on the grill and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until nicely charred. Flip and baste with the reserved marinade generously. Continue this process of flipping and basting frequently until the chicken is cooked through, about 1 hour total for half, less for spatchcocked. Rest and conquer: once the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the chicken, let rest for a few minutes, and prepare to be amazed. Tips for success: spatchcock for the win. Spatchcocking your chicken, removing the backbone and opening it like a book, ensures even cooking and extra crispy skin. The power of emulsification: the egg in the marinade is crucial. It helps the oil and vinegar blend, creating a sauce that bastes beautifully. Baste often, fearlessly. Frequent basting is key to a flavorful, crispy exterior. Don't be shy. Customization is key. Play with the spices. Add a pinch of cayenne for heat, a dash of smoked paprika for depth, or fresh herbs for a twist. Cornell Chicken is the grilling superstar that's destined to become a crowd favorite. It's perfect for feeding a hungry crew, and the leftovers, if there are any, make epic sandwiches. Impress your friends and family with this easy yet unforgettable dish that's steeped in delicious history. Want more grilling goodness and kitchen adventures? Subscribe to our channel for tons of tasty tips and recipes that will bring excitement to your cooking.